Hi guys, welcome to Benedict Godswill TV. In our today's video, we shall be talking about the working principle of a speaker. Stay tuned. So, what is a speaker? A speaker works by converting electrical signals into sound waves using electromagnetism. An electrical current flows through a voice coil, creating a temporary magnetic field that interacts with a permanent magnet. This magnetic interaction causes the coil to rapidly vibrate, which in turn moves the speaker's diaphragm or cone. The vibrating diaphragm pushes and pulls the surrounding air, creating pressure waves, sound waves, that travel to your ears, where your brain interprets them as sound. Main speaker components and how they work. Number 1. Cone/diaphragm. A light, cone-shaped structure that vibrates to push and pull the air, creating sound pressure waves. Number 2. Voice coil. A coil of wire attached to the cone. When an electrical audio signal travels through it, it becomes an electromagnet that interacts with the permanent magnet. Number 3. Spider. A flexible support that keeps the voice coil and cone centered, ensuring consistent movement and preventing distortion. Number 4. Dust cap. Located at the front of the cone, it protects the voice coil from dust and dirt while also strengthening the cone. Number 5. Magnet. A strong permanent magnet that creates a fixed magnetic field. It interacts with the voice coil's electromagnet, causing the coil to move back and forth as the current alternates. Number 6. Cabinet/enclosure. This housing isolates the speaker components and shapes the sound by controlling airflow and vibrations. Number 7. Crossover. In multi-driver systems, the crossover divides the audio signal into different frequency ranges, sending high frequencies to the tweeter, mid-range frequencies to the mid-range driver, and low frequencies to the woofer. The components listed works in the following ways. An electrical audio signal from an amplifier is sent to the speaker. The current passes through the voice coil, turning it into an electromagnet that interacts with the permanent magnet's fixed field. The alternating current causes the voice coil to move back and forth, with the cone attached to it also moving in the same way. This movement creates pressure waves in the air, which travel to our ears as sound. The cabinet shapes the sound, and the crossover ensures the appropriate frequencies reach the correct driver, resulting in clear and detailed audio. Please subscribe for more.